How's it, guys? It's Thendos here. Uh, I decided to do a first car review with my own car, and then you guys are gonna tell me how it is. Just rate it from 0 to 10, and you let me know. I hope you enjoy the video. It's just a small video of my Audi TT. It's 169 kilowatts. It does a 0 to 100 of about 5.8 seconds. And then although the one that's there on the video, it comes with 195 kilowatts, because I added a downpipe and a few things here and there, that bumped it up to 195 kilowatts. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Just let me know if you need me to do more, and then I'll do it. Thanks, guys. Bye. This is the latest Audi TT 2018 model. The way it curves around this road, it's amazing. You can feel the suspension from comfort, sport, economy. Like the way it feels, it's really nice. It's really nice. I can promise that I'm gonna do a longer video, but this is just a feel of how the vehicle is, just by a few videos. The sound it makes, you really can't sleep behind the wheel when driving this car. You really have to be alert. This is a 195 kilowatts, because a few things have been added, but stock it comes with 169 kilowatts. It usually does a 0 to 100 of about 5 seconds, around the tops at 250 kilowatts, kilometers per hour.